passenger section of the car has been painted. It is now undergoing controlled temperature baking. Next, we will paint the remaining areas, performing one final degreasing before spraying. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. The full painting process is complete, and after baking, we check the results without any polishing. Next, we move into the full assembly phase, starting by thoroughly cleaning the remaining parts that were not replaced. We begin installing the chassis, first replacing all the rubber mounts that can be swapped to greatly reduce costs, and then take a look at the before and after